Hello and welcome. In today's video we'll be doing a lift tour on a Whitehill Cardiff Bay shopping center in Roblox. So let's get on with the first lift. The first elevator we have is a cargo generic elevator. Self-lifts incorporated. Let's go to 1. Can't be very boring. 2 doors. Grill. Let's move on to the second elevator. The second elevators are 2 Schindler 5400s.
Door opening. Lift is going up.
Let's go to -2.
Door closing.
Can't you very boring if you can. We are -2.
Floor -2. Rear door opening. Lift is going up.
Car park lift. Let's go to 1.
Rear door closing. Floor 1 door opening. Lift.
And then we're gonna wait to the second elevator, which is also a Schindler 5400. Okay, the lift is now arriving at floor 1, so I think the second elevator will be arrived. Welp, I'm now at
door opening. Lift is going up.
Saying its lift is going up. Let's go to -2.
Door closing.
And this is the second elevator out of the main elevators in the shopping mall, shopping center. We are at -2.
Floor -2. Rear door opening. Rear door closing. Lift is going up.
Let's go to 1 and ground.
Floor 1 door opening. Lift is going down. Door closing. Floor 0 door.
And now let's go to another elevator. The next elevator is another Schindler 5400.
Door opening. Lift is going up. Door closing.
Have you narrow in the same wall? Here we are at 1.
Floor 1 door opening. Lift is going down. Door closing.
And now let's go to another elevator.
Floor 0 door.
Here's an otis elevator on TX MAXX. There you go. kilograms, 16%.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
Another elevator. We now have a generic elevator at Wilko shopping supermarket. And another generic, let's go ground. Probably from the same company. 6%, 475 kilograms. Let's go to 1. Now let's go to another elevator. And sadly, we cannot ride this elevator because this is a staff-only elevator. But we can see it's an orona elevator. So sadly, we are not gonna take a ride on it. But I'm gonna still read it on the lift tour anyway. Let's go on to the next lift. And where sadly these 2 kone elevators are out of service. So until this lift is not out of service, we will go to the next elevator. So I will be back in this server once the lifts are fixed. So let's move on to the next elevator. And now you're on the Gordon Ramsay bar and grill, and we have a tyssenkrup elevator.
First floor. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Here we are, 2.
Second floor. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
The ground floor takes to the center management, which is locked. And I think these are the last 2 elevators, but I'm going to check if there's even more. So yeah, and let's go on to the next elevator number 2.
First floor. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
650 kilograms, 5 people. So like I said, this goes to the Ramsay bar and grill.
Second floor. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
Ready, let's go. 1. I'm gonna search up for more elevators. If not, then this is the end of the video. Well, that is the end of the lift store on the Whitehill Cardiff Bay shopping center in Roblox. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe. Anyways, that's all from this video. See you guys in the next lift tour. Bye.